Good morning, team. Well, it's been a while, but here I am. I'm actually at our shop. Remember, I work for a new company. This is a display board, and really, we're going to turn it into a training board as well. It's been used to train salespeople. It's really big, though. It was put together quite quickly last time, and now I'm going to have some time to actually make it look good. So, well, cleaner and smaller, and hopefully fit through a door. That's the goal, is try to fit through a regular door. But this is our SPK Splash Park controller, and the SPK is pretty cool. It actually can control basically everything of the splash park, from lighting to turning on and off chemical controllers or pumps, or yeah, it's pretty cool. It's wireless. We can put this anywhere. So if I were to take this box home, plug it in, it'll connect remotely, and I can connect remotely to it and control it with the digital HMI. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got a prominent controller. It's sitting in a box right now. Decided not to put it up yet. I think I'm going to put this whole panel on the back with the pumps and everything on the back too. We're going to have a piece of PVC right here. That'll be our retention tank for a little bit of water, just so we can have it running through the system, and we could show off all the features. It does low water, high water. It'll turn on some pump if we have too much high water in a surge tank or a retention tank. It can also turn on and turn off the pump and change the speed of the pump whenever we are running on a VFD. So it can also control VFDs via the PLC. So this is a really cool piece of equipment. And if you've got a splash park that needs something like this, give us a call or shoot me a message. We're Craftsman with a K, out of Spring, Texas. But yeah, I'm sure you guys are looking like, what this prominent thing. I'll show you in a couple of videos later what it is, but it's another chemical controller. You know, most of you people know that I am a diehard chemtrail, but let me tell you what, I'm falling in love with this guy. Fallen in love. So, and of course, peristaltics. I love peristaltics, stinners, which are great. And we also have AccuTab and acid rights and stuff like that too. So, nonetheless, all right. Well, I'm going to work on this build, and hopefully got something for you later, guys. Talk soon.